Back to my channel. In today's video, we're talking on a website where you can actually earn money helping people out doing their assignments. We literally do this for free for our younger ones and friends, but on this website you're actually doing that to get paid. You can of course get paid up to $20,000, $20, sorry, $20, $5, $7, $15. It depends on the subject and how long the assignment is. Okay, I'm Amdala. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, give you a warm welcome. What we do on this channel is talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that's what you want, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel and make sure you turn on notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So go to Google Chrome and type studypool.com and click on the very first link, and it's going to take you to another page where you can actually start selling your documents and receiving order, helping people out doing their assignments. What I mean by documents is that you can sell your notebook, your textbook on this very platform. So guys, this is how the websites look like, and let's talk about the payment method first, because the reason why we're talking about this is to get paid. Now there are different methods that you can use. You can use PayPal, you can use Payona, you can use TransferWise. You can also use your transfer like bank deposit as well. Western Union is also available on the website. So these are the current students question. This current student question, it varies from prices because it's not the same course or the same subjects. We have different subjects: science, humanities, business, accounting, chemistry, physics, biology, economics, many different type of subjects, artists, content writing. There are lots on these websites. Just name it, you can just go there. Every student can actually do this. Okay, so you also have to do is just to create an account on this website. So the number of money, like these are the current question asked by students, and this you can only do this when you have access to the accounts. Like you already create your own profile and then you get approved, because you're still going to do some tests. So that is the reason why you have to watch this video to the very end, so you get every aspect correct, so that you won't make any mistake when you are going through the processing of creating your own profile on this website. Okay guys, so let's keep going. They say study pool vets all tutor to ensure they are qualified to work on the platform like a typical job application. You will be asked to provide information about yourself, your qualification. You will also be asked to answer 3 short questions in topics of your choice, so we can assess your knowledge and skill. Note: the application takes about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you are unable to complete in one sitting. That is, you can actually save and continue later, but I would recommend you to just do the assignments. Even if you can do it in a day or on the second day, just submit the assignments so that will give you the chance, a high chance to get approved. Okay guys, so now let's go to the next chapter of this website. To start your application, click on the red button which says start your application here. So you click here, but I want to check out how to set documents on this website. Click on the set doc up. Earn money selling study documents. Earn up to $5,000 a month. We share your doc with tons of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. That is, every time students view your documents, you get $10. So now you click on switch and set documents. It's going to take you to another page. Okay, just click on switch to set documents. You need to create a profile before you can set document as well. Before you can perform tasks like doing the assignments, helping people, you need to create a profile. One profile, all you have to do is just to create one profile, and you can easily switch from students mode to sellers mode. Okay, so it's still loading. Once you click on the set documents, it's going to bring you to this page where you can upload your documents. You can sell your documents. There are different types of there are different subjects that you can actually apply for. So this is how this page looks like. Earn money by selling study documents. Earn passive income up to $5,000 a month. We share your doc with tons of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student view your document. That is, it might be your assignments, your notebook, your textbook as well. So scroll down and see how the website looks like and how you can actually upload your files. You can upload your file when you scroll down. When you can sell your documents, your textbook here as well. So earn free. You can also earn free unlock So once you upload, you click on my upload and check out the document that you've already uploaded on this website. So let's scroll down and see how it looks like, and how you can upload your files on this website. What to upload? You can upload quiz, you can also upload assignments, class notes, textbook as well. But you can't just snap textbook and just upload on this website. You need to type them, okay? But you can actually do it like this. Go to, like, you can search about your topic or the subject that you want to upload on this website, then just copy and rephrase all of those stuff. It's not necessary for you to write what is in your textbook or in your notebook. As far as you know what you want to write about, then search for more information online and just copy, rephrase, and post here. So that's how I think that will be more easier than just typing. Anyways, so what to upload there, I already mentioned that. And we have your pro tips and how you can rank high on this website. Go through everything, read carefully, and just get to know more about it. If you want to upload, you just see drag and drop. That is where you are going to upload your files. How it works: upload documents. When the files are approved, good to go. User view the documents and you get paid. That is, you receive your payments. I'll talk about the payments method earlier. So they have the do's and don'ts. Go through the websites very well and check out before you start uploading your files on these websites. So let's go to the next chapter. So let's scroll back up and check out the subjects that we can do. You click on the business, the different subjects that you can do: accounting, advertising, banking, management, journalism, sales, tourism, data analyst, news media, PowerPoint, print media, Excel. There are lots. In fact, there are a lot of topics that you can actually talk about. Now let's go to the humanities. Under the humanities, we have African studies, American studies, film, music, physiology, music theory, theater. Under the mathematics, we have algebra. Let's check the programming as well. Different topic, different things under programming itself. And let's go to science. So under the science, we also have different topic, but botany, agriculture, horticulture, geography, biology, biochemistry, zoology, different things. There's also writing as well. Under the writing, we have accounting. No, you're going to be writing on any topic, every topic: biology, chemistry, accounting, business, finance, history, literature, law, physiology, writing, songwriter, scripts writing. There are lots actually. So you just choose the one of your interest and go for it. Actually, I did not even finish my application on this PC, so you can also use your smartphone and you'll be able to see all of these things that I am showing you. Okay, I'm still going to use my smartphone to complete my application. I'm going to show you how I also did it. So guys, that's all. If you want to save your documents, you can click on the set doc. As you can see, that's like green dollar in the front of it. So to create account, click on member, become member. As you can see, check the arrow is up beside the set doc. Click on become member and it's loading. This is where you're going to enter your basic information about yourself. So now become a tutor. With a study pool tutor account, you can fully switch between student and tutor mode and enjoy the benefit of tutoring on study pools, such as lowest service fee, reliable income, full freedom, and flexibility. So if you want to if you want to apply, just click on apply now, and it's going to take you to the other page where you're going to enter your basic information about yourself. So after clicking apply now, it's going to bring you here. Then you click on the red button which says start your application now. So click on it. Ready to get started. The test will take around 30 minutes or an hour. You can also save and continue later. So you click on start application. It's loading. Still loading, guys. Still loading. Finally, so check out the instruction before you acknowledge. You have to agree to their terms and condition, of course. So you just click on acknowledge. You don't have a choice. So you have to agree to their terms and condition. You just have to read it if that's suitable by you, then you go ahead and click on acknowledge. After clicking the acknowledge, it's going to bring you here background and bio. That's where you're going to enter your personal information, your name, your surname, last name, nationality. You choose Nigeria, your nationality. So it's not only for Nigeria, it's all over the world. You can actually apply on these websites from any country. Where do you live? You enter your address. How do you hear from us? So they said please be specific. You can write YouTube, you just write YouTube. Name of the last school you attended, you write it. And your major, you write it. So you can actually enter it, like you type it. That is the manual input. The other box or manual input, you can type it there if you don't see the school on the list. Have you ever been a school teacher? Of course, I've never been a school teacher, and I'm going to be selecting no. So the next question says, do you have other professional affiliation with an academic institution? I don't have, so therefore I'm clicking no again. Next, job title, I'm an entrepreneur, employee or category, self-employed. Yearly, 2019 to date. So just choose the one that is applicable to you. Maybe where I choose no, it's a yes for you. Then you go ahead and you click on yes. Okay. So the next aspect is your subject's preference. So the one subject that you prefer the most. So I'm going to be choosing in business, writing, and economics. So you click and save and continue later. It's going to take you to the skill assessment, which is part 1. Writing skill assessment. What would you like to write about? So you're going to be the one to choose the subject that you want to write about. It might be economics, it might be business, it might be any subject, science subjects or anything. So I'll be choosing economics. So once you're done choosing the subject that you really want to talk about, you want to write about, scroll down and go through the requirements. Make sure you read it carefully. And so after going through the requirements, check out the one in the red plus, that is, you must not copy and paste maybe ChatGPT information or you ask ChatGPT about it and you paste it directly to display. They won't allow it. So definitely they will just deny, they won't approve your assignments. So as you can see, upload answer, you just click on the browse to take it to your saved file on your PC or your phone, and then you can just upload it there. I'm going to show you how I did on my phone using my Google Doc as well. So guys, I saved on my PC and then I continue using my smartphone. I copied the question I was given and I pasted it on ChatGPT to answer the question for me. In the recent regulation, they say we should not copy and paste what ChatGPT give us or ChatGPT answer to them and documents, like to send it to them. And of course, we must not send a plagiarized article to them. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you not miss any important part of the video. I'm going to show you where you can actually rephrase the article, remove some word, just adjust the word, and check out the plagiarized, if it's zero plagiarized or it's not. So we are going to rephrase everything, so make sure you watch this video to the very end. Okay guys, so guys, I actually later asked the ChatGPT to answer the question and give me, I had that not more than 500 words. Whenever you ask ChatGPT to give you an article of 500 words, it's always longer than that, even in just like maybe 550 words. Okay, so I'm going to copy the answer now and paste it on my Google Doc. You can also paste it on your notepad and check out. I'm trying to rephrase it and just check out. You need to understand the topic you're actually writing about. So that is why it's important to choose a subject that you are familiar with, that you think you are interested in. That I choose economics because I have more interest in economics. Okay guys, so guys, I already copied it, so I pasted it on my notepad using my smartphone. Of course, I need to adjust some things because it's going to be 100% plagiarism if I even check it. So therefore, I need to check it out and then start rephrasing, putting some word, adding some word, deducting some word in my own understanding. So that's how I just did it in a shell. And I copied this, then I went into my paraphrasing tools to rephrase the sentence, to rephrase the whole article. So these are the paraphrasing tools that I am using. Looks like I'm just going to copy and paste it here, then I click on paraphrase now, then it's going to paraphrase it for me. Sure. So after clicking on the paraphrase now, it's going to load, and it's loading now. This is how it's going to look like. The green words are the word that it changes, like it changes from the other word maybe to similar word. Of course, I'm going to click on check plagiarism. So it's checking, it's loading. It's loading. Finally, it's 95% unique and 5% plagiarized. So let's scroll down and see the plagiarized sentence in our article. So we need to change the plagiarized sentence into our own words so that it won't be traceable and it will be free from plagiarism. The plagiarized sentence is always in the red box, so that is it. The sentence additional, so it's the one in the red box. So, and you can see that the source is also intact. It is still traceable. So this is not the type of article that we can upload on the website. So we need to go back and rephrase our sentence. So after rephrasing the sentence, then you click on check plagiarism. You click on rephrase now because it will first bring the rephrase now for you. Then you click on rephrase now and check plagiarism. It's still loading, but it depends on the paraphrasing tools that you're using. The one I'm using, it always bring rephrase now. So as you can see, this is 100% unique and the source is non-traceable as well. So this is the type of article that you can actually upload on this, you can submit on the website. I'm going to show you how you can transfer or transform your documents, your article, into a Google Doc. So guys, you need to download Google Doc app on your smartphone. This is how the app looks like. Now you need to copy the article that you wrote that says 0 plagiarized. You copy it here. You can easily change the word count. If you want to add up to the sentence, you can also add it up here. You can check the word count if it is up to 200 words or 500 words that we are asked to write. So this is 79 words because I copied the first paragraph and then rephrased it and I checked the plagiarism. That's why it's showing 79 words, because it's just a short sentence. So you are expected to write more than 200 words and up to 500 words. Okay, now let me show you the second assignment that I did. Which one is that? That is about IMF Foundation, that's International Monetary Fund. So here's how it looks like. I already rephrased it. You can easily check the word count as earlier. So how I did this was this first step that I take you through, how I use ChatGPT and then rephrasing to checking the plagiarism, adding up, subtracting. So now if you want to save it, you can just save as Google Doc, and that way you easily access it when you want to submit it on the website using your smartphone. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video, and let me know if any aspect of the video that you do not understand. I will be here to explain more better to you. Okay, see you on my next video, and make sure you like and comments and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye, see you, take care.